Starting a website is exciting, but choosing the wrong hosting it can ruin your experience. Today we are comparing two big names, Hostinger versus Bluehost. By the end of the video, you will know exactly which one is best for you. So what we will discuss in this video? So in this video, we will cover performance and speed of Hostinger and Bluehost, features and tools, WordPress hosting, pros and cons, pricings and final verdict, and a bonus discount. Let's talk about performance and speed. Speed decides success online. Fast website rank better on Google and convert more visitor. Hostinger use Lightspeed server, NVMe storage and built-in caching. This means page loads very fast and even with traffic. Bluehost mostly use traditional servers. They are stable but not as fastest. In the real use, Hostinger usually load pages quickly, especially for WordPress sites. If speed matters to you, Hostinger has a clear advantages. Now let's talk about features and tools. Hostinger gives a modern custom control panel called H-Panel. It's simple, clean and perfect for beginners. You'll also get AI website builder, free SSL certificate, free email, one-click apps, backups and security tools. In the other hand, Bluehost uses cPanel. It is powerful but old and feels heavy for beginners. They also push many paid add-ons during checkout. Hostinger give more tools including in the plan itself. Now let's talk about WordPress hosting. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org. That builds trust especially for beginners. But Hostinger is optimized for WordPress with Lightspeed cache, staging and fast servers. This makes WordPress website run faster on Hostinger. So Bluehost is a beginner friendly but Hostinger is a performance friendly. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Bluehost pros. Big brand name, WordPress recommended, phone and chat support. Bluehost cons, slower speed, fewer modern tools, expensive renewables and many features cost extra. In the other hand, Hostinger pros, very fast loading, light speed cache, AI tools, moderator dashboard, cheap plans and more free for features. But Hostinger also has a cons. Hostinger doesn't provide no phone support. Some features only on higher plan. Pricing comparison. Pricing is where most people decide. Hostinger plans start around $1.99 per month. In that plan, you will get free domain, free SSL certificate, free emails, website builder and good speed. Bluehost start higher and renewal peak price is much more. After first year, many of users are shocked by renewal cost. Over 2 to 3 years, Hostinger save you a lot of money. So who is best? If you want a budget hosting with high speed and modern tools, Hostinger is the best. And if you only care about brand and phone support, Bluehost can work, but it costs more. For beginners, bloggers and small business owners, also YouTubers, Hostinger is a smart choice. To get the best deal on Hostinger, check the link in the description. You can save up to 80% on hosting plan. And for extra discount, use coupon code H810 at checkout. This gives you more saving on already cheap price. So don't waste money on expensive hosting. Click the link in the below. Use code H810 and start your website today with a Hostinger.